Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Safari keeps crashing on iPhone. So first is to force close Safari. So a temporary app glitch can cause Safari to crash repeatedly. So swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Now find Safari and swipe it up to close it. Then reopen Safari and see if it works. Next is to restart your iPhone. So press and hold the side button and either volume button, then drag the power slider. Wait about 30 seconds, then turn your iPhone back on. Then open Safari again and see if it works. Next is to update iOS. So open your phone settings, scroll down, go to General, go to Software Update, and check for any available updates, then update your device. So restart your iPhone, then open Safari again and see if it works. Next is to clear Safari history and website data. So open Settings, scroll down to Apps. Now under Apps, look for Safari. Select that. And in here, scroll down until you see Clear History and Website Data. Then select that. Now select the time frame at the top. Then select Clear History to confirm the action. Once done, open Safari again and see if it works. Next is to close unused tabs. So having hundreds of open tabs can consume memory. So open Safari, then tap the tabs button. So click the three dots in the bottom right. Now click all tabs and close tabs you no longer need. So you can just click the X button to close it and click the check mark. Then see if it works. And that's it. Thank you for watching.